Okay, this is Hanami Salise, and today I have visited two water and land formations in our town, which is Valencia. So as part of our midterm project, I will give my critical analysis regarding the following places. So let's start with Anislag. Anislag Spring is a cold spring that runs through the middle of the rainforest, and it is located at Omjon, Valencia, Bohol, which is one of the municipalities under the Rajah Sikatuna Protected Landscape in the province of Bohol. This mountain spring supplies water to the surrounding communities. The water is cold and clear. Is it fit to drink? So, by definition, raw water is unfiltered. Scientists and government officials have expressed concerns over untreated water because raw water may be an instance where natural is not necessarily better. However, some people living within the area prefer drinking the spring water because it is naturally cold, and others do not have enough budget to buy the treated one. So what are the benefits of cold springs? First is relaxation. Cold water swimming activates endorphins, and this chemical is what the brain produces to make us feel good during the activities. And this way, we can also reduce stress. Next is tourism. Before the pandemic broke out, this paradise continues to attract tourists, local and foreign alike. For only 5 pesos, people outside the place can now enjoy the natural flow of the spring. But however, today only few have visited the place, and it is free. And also, this spring supply water. It is used for public bathing facilities, public water supplies, and watering the livestock. And say yes to the shades of green. We have here the green scenery brings a natural way of calming your mind. So what are you waiting for? Visit the place. But for now, we have to look for the problems caused by the natural spring. First is moderate risk of flooding. So heavy rains, as we know, it increases the risk of flooding, which is likely to impact those who live within the community and in the lower areas. Next is erosion and runoff. So there are big rocks over the place, and once that small pieces of rocks are broken apart, then it's possible that people who climb the uphill part of the spring, they may possibly harm themselves if there are eroded rocks. Next is slip accident. The rocks throughout the edges of the spring is slippery. That is why young kids and even adults have experienced slipping accidents. So be careful. Next, we have here the LGU work in action. When the pandemic broke out, the place is no longer open for tourists to avoid the spread of the virus. And also, small businesses are no longer available. However, the barangay officials remain with their work to preserve the cleanliness of the spring. They make sure that there are no traces of trash, especially that there are few people who went here for bathing and washing their clothes. So, as you can see, this place is really a tourist spot because it is a great place for taking pictures. So, I have here a few of my pictures. Our next spot is the Valley. It is located at Canmanico, Valencia, Bohol. The Valley is privately owned ecofarm stay where you can find comfort as its edge. It is called the Valley because it is located up in the mountains. Anyone can enjoy the majestic view of the rice fields and the various flowers and plants which envelop the soil. So guests who love nature enjoy the view of the valley. So the best time to visit is on the afternoon for picnic and early morning for jogs to witness the sunrise. So what are the benefits of Eco Home? First is camping activities. I have remembered we recently celebrated our Thanksgiving and also our camping activities here at the valley. So tourism continues to attract even in times of pandemic. And it is also relaxing here. You can enjoy the pool. You'll surely enjoy better if you know how to swim. Yes. Next is it has private rooms for available prices, and bikers and walk-in guests are also welcome here. So, no entrance fee, enjoy nature freely. You need a dose of mountain breeze and scenic views. So what are you waiting for? Visit this place now. And I do not include problems caused by this place because I don't find any problem at all. So The LGU work in action. The coronavirus disease 2019 has heavily affected the tourism industry, but the Department of Tourism, under the collaboration with the LG of Valencia, allows the safe reopening of the valley to restart our economy and help our tourism workers regain their jobs. With this, safety protocols were strictly observed, such as wearing of masks even during camping activities or any activities done at this place. So I've also taken pictures. It's really Instagrammable. So it's really a good place to be, including the Anislag Spring. So that would be all. I hope you have learned this video, and thank you.